Do you ever get that feeling that a company is trying to close you and not help you? With some Gold IRA companies, it's not just a feeling, it's in the script. It's the urgency, the limited time bonus, the you have to decide now. And worst part, that pressure doesn't just affect your decision today. It usually means they are not built to support you long term. Let me show you what I mean. Here's what to watch for. When a company is more focused on pushing urgency than educating you, you will see these phrases pop up a lot. Lock in your bonus today, or free silver if you respond now, or offer expires in 48 hours. These kinds of messages are usually designed to keep you from slowing down and asking real questions like, what are your fees? What's your buyback policy? Are you really here for the long run? In contrast, look at companies that lead with education. No ticking clocks, no fear, just clarity. If you want help spotting companies that rely on pressure tactics, I've linked a free checklist below this video. It helps you flag warning signs and ask smarter questions before you commit. Just grab it in the description. One of the guides in that bundle is called the Company Integrity Checklist, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It lists common pressure tactics to avoid and gives you the right questions to ask if a company seems a little too eager to close the deal. And that's just one of the PDFs. The full bundle also includes guides on fees, buybacks, and how to spot a real long-term partner, not just a sleek salesperson. So if you're comparing providers and want a little backup, grab the Gold IRA Ultimate Guide. I'll link it in the description below. It's been really helpful to people who want to slow down, ask better questions, and feel confident about where they put their savings.